Looking to make your next movie night truly memorable? The Stock Your Home Classic Popcorn Container Value Pack offers the perfect blend of style, convenience, and quality. These premium square popcorn containers are crafted from high-quality cardboard paper, designed to assemble in seconds without any hassle. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night or running a concession stand, these containers deliver a reliable and attractive way to serve popcorn every time. What sets these popcorn boxes apart is their innovative auto-pop design. Unlike traditional fold and lock containers, these holders pop open instantly when unfolded, saving you time and frustration. Just unfold, and the box is ready to go. For added peace of mind, you can secure the bottom with tape, ensuring your popcorn stays put. This clever design means no fumbling, no delays, and no mess, just smooth, effortless setup that keeps the focus on enjoying the show. Made from grease-proof, premium paperboard material, these containers are built to handle buttery, greasy popcorn without leaking or staining your clothes. This disposable design means easy cleanup with no sacrifice on durability. Plus, their classic red and white striped vintage style adds a fun, nostalgic touch that instantly impresses guests of all ages. Whether it's a family gathering, festival, or themed party, these popcorn boxes bring a lively, authentic movie theater vibe to any event. Each value pack includes 50 square popcorn containers, each holding up to 46 ounces of popcorn. Measuring approximately 7.75 inches by 4 inches by 2.75 inches, they're perfectly sized for individual servings without overwhelming your guests. Customers across the U.S. have praised how easy these boxes pop open and how they hold just the right amount for a single person, making them a favorite for casual movie nights and professional venues alike. If you're ready to upgrade your popcorn presentation and simplify your snack service, this value pack is worth a look. The combination of premium materials, grease resistance, quick assembly, and vintage style means you get both function and flair. Try it when you're ready to impress your guests and enjoy popcorn the way it's meant to be served, fresh, fun, and fuss-free.